Hey guys, we are still looking at composite area. So I'm going to read the problem and we're just going to take this piece by piece through our problem solving process. So we have two congruent squares. Right off, that's important to me because that tells me that it's a square, which every side is going to be the same. But not only that, they are the same kind of square. They are congruent. And a parallelogram. So we have a square, and a parallelogram. And they were used to form the figure shown below. And we want to know the area of the figure in square meters. So I have two congruent squares, and I see that the side length is 3 right here. When I look at my formula chart, I know that formula for area of a square is the same as a rectangle. And so area will equal base times height, which in this case is just 3 times 3. So the area of the first square is 9, which means the area of the second square also has to be 9 because they're congruent. And then now all we have left is our parallelogram. When I look on my formula chart, I see the formula for area of a parallelogram is area is equal to base times height. And the length of my base, which is going to be that parallel side, is 6, times the height, which I know has to make this 90-degree angle. So the height is 2 8/10. So we're just going to multiply that. 6 times 2 8/10 is going to be 12 plus 4.8, because what I did is I decomposed 2.8. I multiplied 6 times 2, and then I multiplied 6 times 8/10. So then I will recompose them to get 16.8. So we have the area of the squares, 9 and 9. And then we have the area of the parallelogram, which is going to be 16.8. So to find the area of the whole thing, all we do is take the sum now. I know 9 plus 9 plus 16.8 will be the sum of the whole area. 9 and 9 makes 18. So now I have 18 plus 16.8. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 away from 16 and 8/10 and give it to 18. So if I take 2 from here and I move it over, I'm just sharing. Now I have 20 plus 14.8. Which is a lot easier for me to work with because 20 is a really friendly number. And that makes a sum of 34 8/10 meters squared for my composite area. So get an answer choice of C. All right, thank you.